Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and a massive, and I mean massive day for IQST. Super excited about the growth over the past couple of weeks of this stock here. So for those of you who rock with us on the channel, you're familiar with IQST, ticker symbol IQST, trading on the OTC market already. If not, watch some of our older videos. Will go kind of fill you in, but since IQST expects to meet Nasdaq shareholder equity requirement imminently. So for those of you who aren't too familiar, this is an OTC QX stock, which is working on getting listed to the Nasdaq. So their CEO released a statement today, says the New Year's is hours away, and I could not be more pleased with or proud of IQST's accomplishments in 2021. I will share today the latest updates and one particularly exciting milestone that will usher us promptly along our way to the Nasdaq listing in 2022. We have already announced IQST will exceed $60.5 million in revenue this year. Today I'm happy to share that as of writing this letter, we have surpassed $60, inching past our revised $63 million 2021 revenue forecast. We will finish 2021 in a very good position for continued rapid revenue growth and well on our way to meeting our net income positive 90 million revenue forecast in 2022. In addition, our improved 2021 revenue, our EV motorcycles will be rolling out off the production line any minute now. We plan to publish videos of this exciting event within the next few days. Then it goes on to say a little bit more about their revenue and things like that. I'll link this in the description below for you guys to take a look at. But guys, if you're not in this stock right here, anything under $1, in my opinion, it's going to double from here. It could pull back before it does so, which I thought it was going to pull back over the next couple of days, but it just keeps running, which is great. The more they release news, the higher it's going to get and make its way back to that dollar mark. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts really quickly, see what they're telling us. But again, this is linked in the description below. Take a look and read through the whole thing. Do yourself a favor. And if you're not in this stock yet, maybe do some research on it and consider. All right, guys, looking at IQST. And we talked about this in one of my other videos about a cup and handle pattern forming. And if we can fall and bounce off about that 60 cents mark, that we should fly. And man, it's set up beautifully. I mean, absolutely beautiful. We had a slight sell-off, and now we are pushing forward. So current resistance is over 81 cents. Current support is about 72.5 cents. We are overvalued, guys, so typically we're going to be pulling back. And if we can find some support here at that 74 cent or 72 cent level, that would be a good sign moving forward. If we bust below, then expect to go down to about 65 cents. If we bust below 65, then expect 60. If it would happen to get this low again, guys, this wouldn't be a terrible price. If it happened to fall all the way to 50 cents, then you better gobble that up while you can, because it won't stay there too long. So anyway, this is a slam dunk home run, in my opinion, for 2022. I think that we double from here, possibly triple over the first few months in 2022, depending on when they're able to, get their uplisting on the Nasdaq. But you don't ever want to buy here, right? You want to wait for it to pull back and get down here on the RSI. You don't want to buy up top here. Wait for a pullback, okay, if you're looking to get in and see how low it can go, because I mean, this is a pretty big, significant run. And then typically, unless the news keeps coming, this thing will probably start dying down a little bit and settle. And you want to just see where it settles before coming in and buying. So anyway, guys, I want to give you that update on IQST. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.